Abusuya Professor Del Ofori Atta Edin Sembi atujade afa Nkoko Nkitikiti ho na o say 21st century a oman bia no ebomodin say ode digitalization and industrialization ebe je chire ne man amane man na etumpon no Ghana de Nkoko Nkitikiti na de chire ya man a o chire say se otenase na odwene ho a onim de potin a Ghana for free NDC ne John Dramani Mahoma hono mo a emamunya gidie ni awrehemu ewo John Dramani Mahama mu emonkoto abama ne say omba no make the man pinisan say penini a ode Nkoko Nkitikiti na eye campaign de sa penini no na ondwene dachi emfa ma emrante ne mabawa omo oman ne mu we yensam a Professor Del eye Ofori Atta ede to dwana ha ye Ghana Nsem TV din ameje so any promise no be bowrem ne akotie nsem a Professor Del Ofori Atta de to dwana ba ne wi a ya ba kire adwin e wo
sa Nkoko Nkitikiti campaign any 24-hour campaign ye ehena ede o man no ko ento so ya sisi wo mo aso ya keka nsem ya chinchim wo mo adwente no o mo gyeto mu eno o ma ben na timi develop so say Nkoko Nkitikiti no de man krofo ukokura bia sia wo bia won Nkoko ya sabe otukosi o manage ohun enti enipa na de
Nkoko Nkitikiti for say good policy ohun
oh and yet we don't even call it policy. Just a scam if you want that. Hey. Me na make a chiro
by prof who na your professor by what
I didn't never mine I did ya mo bia Nkoko 1000 kra dey no mo de baye
na so mo baye Nkoko no na prof
na
one na no be kan for a champion ma ye say wo de hu a champion system no
yes
my Nkoko Nkitikiti they similar to champ operation feed yourself no
no
be 1000 kwa no ye o mo na so ni area ho o mo tumi nya Nkoko ni bi eto at a cheaper price. I say any good
and community ben no money portrait farm or Ghana community ben it's just a duplication of efforts. Community ben no money portrait farm but there mo amutie ni ye wo kura asekura ni pa portrait farm a champ operation feed yourself no just say anya say you wo do ufrefo mba na woko no akodo me do banchefo me do bode na sabin krankra na obi ho ane dachi no de bode si ho ubeko na so fe a champo branso aduane bui e wo Ghana
okay
aduane bui wo power ni pan wo yadwuma wo na wo serve wo hunti wase fifre ni ahoto wo ya na wo ahoto mo tane mo ka say ayi Nkoko enipa bebre wo poultry farm enti wo hwa eno de enya priority kra just already the duplication da kon farm ho akropon farm so ho na me kira de wo osetutu senior high school me your poultry farm ni bi because of operation feed yourself no na teacher for ho nyina obi ye bi enti that area dem so kwa people will just laugh at him because obi ehia so be ya Nkoko ho obi na me dey say me wie ya na ayi Nkoko be free Kumasi no mo abeto enti me dey adaje na wo send won Nkoko on pa bibi foforo na politics dey o kan sem na sanje na so no why so onye consistent enti na odi eche obedi Nkoko Nkitikiti echi ama omano ensesi form am fashi ma China for and Omaya highly industrialized. They started from the grassroots. They had what they call cultural revolution. So, one more nyama, and one more by ye, one more nyama, young one craniama, and after population comes to cry a dozen do. Mashamu, Obia no more than 2. Na Bakono on Sanko Paso, not more so yeno, Nyamo Dana fire. And in China, they are challenging every nation in this world. They say one more bypass that cultural revolution, and high tech. The say a robot amoken. One more design highly sophisticated ones, and the Chrome America tall buildings. One more the robot and a worship. Cannon can skyscraper tinted way or yet not the Yajuma. And the Cocoa farmer who can say, mean himself very soon, the bear, and another time, no more the children. Oh, and you know, Ghana dear, send a more public subject, one more, over mano, omudio mano.
It's a problem. Suggestions that Mahama to copy from the Chinese, how omu the way, and then Nkoko Nkitikiti.
Oh, yes, our blueprint, no, ya ohwa so ebe yi
Ebushani pa motene nka no Professor Del Ofori Atta na chire say 21st century Ghana oman a developing country a oman a fe na ye chichire a ye tumpon kakra na ono no nyansa mu ni ndie mu de Nkoko Nkitikiti enya ade a behia ayese nka Ghana aban ediska behiem isan say Ghana a country a fe na ye chichire na ye fefe na ye pebibi ama aye sustainable ama Ghana fonya so mfa so a enya Nkoko Nkitikiti na ochire say he is very very disappointed in the people say omukwa abonten kokosa line ekoto aba say John Dramani Mahama embe Ghana man penni number implement a policy or say we ponya policy something na omudi EDCV Ghanaians say 24-hour economy ene Nkoko Nkitikiti or say nyansa bia enimu a chire say ono so adwen chire no but you know from what he is saying, you know, I can tell you say it is true. I don't know the reason why Ghanaians believed in the NDC, especially the Nkoko Nkitikiti and the 24-hour economy initiative from cars on the but this is not policy. It's just a mere initiative, a year baseless and doesn't hold any sustainable water. A bit me amane tumpon and as a bit ya a bit yabuaga amane tumpon. It's very sad as a country like Ghana, we are still thinking like we are in the ages of 1970. Honestly speaking, it is very, very, very sad. Say a country like Ghana still behaving as if we don't even know our left from our right and our right from our left. And this is the reason why I've been saying that the NDC doesn't care about we the citizens of the Republic of Ghana, and they always play with our mindset and they always play with our thinking because they know there is a lot of people in this country they don't even care about anything. What they care about is the omenya komonum. It's very, very, very sad. It is very, very sad. Say, never be saying, ACC or my name. I know you also have something to say about a year in some Professor Del, a year Ofori Atta, edit to the Nkoko Nkitikiti, and a year 24-hour economy initiative. And this if what share was a mobile baby, I watch this a yadia, and yadia bet me a ye. My mom was watching three hour. I was say, I will fast as we will our comment section in meeting at the promise a Ghana and Sam TV so.
A teacher for Mitchell, a teacher for. They say, as some Nabano, is there must say any day. She say, dear year. Hey! In your muddy penny Ghana. Oh, Debbie. A bind backo, be a bind by a bro soda do. Moya no mamma, who that order the demon when you pam a crack. She say, Nigeria, so. That is why they be am sorry I'm yet the media. Meanwhile, steam time conquer to Abba will be no about Sabbath Shem Sabbath tea meal. It will move better to Amana, but no to bar or Madame may buy my man to be no mean to be mamma so. Says here, who dear see any Nigeria so. Yaji and so nurses, you people were in a hurry, more or two for change any and ne. Moko any Becca say there's not going to be like where we what's left in a toy, assume be assuming a mokoto ye. Yes, mother. A situation I hold one way, Munjim sin chain. Yem pecom sicom self could be any bit up because you will be at the air budget and Cassa, you will be a make a babbage or two. Hey! There be no mistake be 70 sana by no. We a party, be on our so party or powers, say no. What dear no by Anna? I told you why, mommy and society, me and she and so sabby may come because they be a ne. One. Hey, when we who can answer na Canaan so Nancy go, yet the idea way they take come do us. If we go explain tie you been see that. I am my own come. Someone will come here and be saying we are doing politics. Senka when we see one will be here do my month. Waji, your fan said 30,000 Ghana cities. And I said 10,000 Ghana. Now the other head of a man, so I said you go feel how with this. Hey Ghana. Hey.